Hello everybody, and we're back from another 5 month break from Jimmy's restaurant. Our newest recipe is chocolate chip Reeses. So it can come in a miniature or a bigger one, or I meant normal sized. Hey Mom.
Hey Jim.
You can get some chocolate chips, lay them down, and get some out of there. And then, boop. You probably already know this, so Robert, please don't make fun of me. So, we put it right there. You know, this is just new recipes, Robert. I mean, this is not just to be make fun of. This is not a how-to video. This is just a new Reese's recipe video. You might already know how to do this, but just in case if you don't have chocolate, this is how you get satisfied. Alright then, for the moment of the truth. Ow. Mmm. Hashtag chocolate liver service day. Goodbye.